Okay, Unit 1 review, metric conversions. So these are from the Unit 1 review under practice problems, number 1, A through E. Okay, so how many meters are in 125 centimeters? Okay, first thing we need to do is write out our little chart. Now, I didn't show you guys the brain pop, and I don't remember if I had in the notes my little saying to figure out how they go. But it goes King, so you put a K. Henry doesn't, I know it's DA, not D, usually drink chocolate milk. Okay, so that's the order that it goes in. You need to have them written out so we can move the decimal accordingly. Okay, so we're looking at 125 centimeters. So we have 125. Now we're going from centimeters, so this is the C, to meters. Now remember, meters is one of the units, so it's going to be under the U. So we're going from C to U. So C to U. So we're going to move the decimal 1, 2 places to the left. Now remember, if it's a whole number, that decimal is at the end. So 1, 2. So that's 1.25 meters. So that's the answer to A. Okay, so let's do the next one. Now, remember, before we even start any of this, we're going to write our chart. So King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Okay, so now for this one, it's how many kilometers are in 2,875 meters. So we're going to start with meters. So I'm going to write down my 2875. I'm going to put my decimal point at the end. And we're going to go to kilometers. So that's the K. So meters are units. So we're starting with the U, and we're going to move to the K. 1, 2, 3 places to the left. 1, 2, 3. So it's 2.875 kilometers. And that's your answer for B. Okay, now the next one, once again, we're going to write our chart down. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Let's use red this time. Okay, how many millimeters are in 1.98 meters? So we're going from meters, which is the units, to millimeters, to the M. So I'm going to start with my 1.98 here. I'm going to start with units and go to the M. So 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So 1, 2, 3. Now, since there's a space, I have to fit it with a 0. So it's 1980 millimeters. Okay. Okay, before we start D, let's do King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Okay, so let's put our number down. So this time it says how many milligrams are in 0.650 kilograms. So we're starting with the K and we're going to the M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to move the decimal 6 places to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that leaves 3 spaces. So our answer is 6, 5, 0, 0, 0 milligrams. Okay. Last one. Okay. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. How many deciliters are in 2.50 deciliters? Okay, so we're starting with the DA and going to deci, which is just the D. So 1, 2. We're going to move the decimal 2 places to the right. So it's 250 deciliters. Okay, hopefully that helps with the metric conversions portion of the review.